Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing this portable blender, and like always, if you are interested, there will be a link in the video description for you guys and girls to purchase. Alright, let's get started. Bottle capacity 500 ml, working volts 7.4 volts, charging 5 volt which is 1 amp, battery capacity 2000 mAh. 2. Motor speed 22,000 RPM. Charging time 3 to 5 hours. So this is a great portable blender that you can take with you anywhere and everywhere. So what's in the box? Well, you get this nice little tray. You got some tools here. Looks like maybe a cleaning tool. You got your charging cable, and then you got the blender itself. It's a nice size blender. So as you can see, this is where you can charge it. So like all products, make sure you wash it before you use it. Now, a nice feature about this is when you go to turn it on, if the cup is not on, it will not turn on. So you press this power button to see the battery level, and it will show you the battery level. And then you double press it to turn it on, but without the cup on and aligned right, it will not turn on. For an example, you see the arrow it's right there. Because we don't have the cup actually turned the whole way, it will not turn on until you turn the cup fully. Now that it's fully aligned, we can double press it. And just like that. Alright, enough talk, let's actually use it. So when I do, by the way, you can take the top off to put everything down. The cap just simply turns off. When I make my milkshakes, so today we are making a strawberry milkshake, so we're going to add 1, 2, 3 large strawberries, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to scoop some ice cream over here. This is chocolate and vanilla ice cream mixed. We're going to go ahead and put some scoops of that down in. And I'm going to apply pressure and push that down. Now we don't want to block off the entire cup because the milk still needs to go in. We're going to take our milk now. And I'm going to slowly pour milk in, and we're going to let that run down and fill probably close, not half, but a decent amount, so you can watch and see how much I fill it up with. Probably about that much for now. I will then go ahead and push the ice cream down in and the strawberries down in. Be careful doing this, you don't want the milk overflowing. So now that I do that, you want to make sure you get it down far enough. We're going to go ahead and get a little bit more ice cream now. Drop that down in. Make sure we push that down. Okay. Go ahead, put on the cap here for now. If you are having problems with it not chopping, you can go ahead and lift it up and shake it up a little bit. Shake it around. That will really get everything turning. Just shake it around. Okay, you probably can't see it, but it's actually spinning inside. And remember, if you want it more thick, then use less milk. So if you want your milkshake to be thicker, simply use less milk. And this is it. Delicious. Time to taste it. So I put it in this huge mug because I actually made a little bit more. So to make more, all you have to do is fill it up with your milk and your ice cream, mix it all up, then you can pour a little bit out into a cup like this, and then just fill the rest up with ice cream and milk if you need more milk. If not, and then you got a huge milkshake. That's if you want a bigger milkshake or smoothie. So this is the consistency. It might be a little runny for some people. Some people like it really thick. And again, if you want it really thick, just add less milk. More ice cream, less milk. And of course, what would it be without a taste test? Oh, that's delicious. I think that was a perfect strawberry amount. Keep in mind, those were big strawberries as you saw. That's delicious. Well, this thing worked perfectly. And like I said, if you have a problem where you put the ice cream, you put the strawberries and the milk, or if you're doing smoothies, if you put everything in and it's not grinding everything up, just simply start shaking it. That will do the job every time, and it's delicious. It's portable, and honestly, that's probably a big enough cup for most people. I've made a little bit extra because, well, I'm a growing boy. But that's probably a big enough cup for most people. And honestly, I'm very impressed. I'm very happy. I think I can give it, honestly, probably a 4.5 stars out of 5, which would be about an 8 out of 10, which is a high score, 4.5 stars. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the video description. Thank you guys and girls for watching.